Hi everyone. Thank you, Carter, for your introduction, and thank you everyone for joining today's webinar. I'm Harini, a software developer at BoldSign. So I hope everyone is familiar with BoldSign. BoldSign is an e-signature application designed for obtaining electronic signatures. In today's webinar, we are going to discuss a feature in BoldSign called BulkSign. So, but before we dive into that, let's take a moment to understand why it's needed. So, why do we need a separate option to send a document to multiple people? So, imagine this: you need to send a document to two people for their e-signatures. So, you can easily send it to each one and track their progress, right? So, but what if you need to send the same document to 10, 20, or more people? So, entering each person details and setting up field for them can be tedious. So, that's where the bugs and feature in BoldSign comes in. So, let's look at this document where these list of people need to confirm their details like name, email, job title, address, and phone number, and sign the document. So let's see how we can use this bulk sign option to easily send this document to these list of people. So I'll switch to the bold sign application now. So before proceeding to create a template, create a bulk sign, you need to create the template first. So I'll navigate to the My Templates page. As you can see here, I have already created a template with the document I showed you earlier. So I'll show this template with you. As you can see, I have configured a form field for this template. So once the template is ready, I can proceed to create the bulk send. So you can create a bulk send in two ways. Either by selecting the template and using the context menu, you can choose this bulk send option, or you can use this create new option and choose the create new bulk sender. So I'll select this template and in this. So here you can see the prepare bulk send page gets loaded with the selected template. So once the template has been uploaded, the next step is to upload the recipient details through a CSV file. So this CSV file follows the standard format which BoldSign recognizes. So you can also download the sample CSV file from here. Also, you have the options to select the fields which you want to customize. Like you can select a title, message, form field tags, CC, private message, or any option you need to customize, you can select it and proceed to download the sample. So sample CSV has been downloaded now. I'll open the downloaded document. As you can see, now we have columns to add the recipient details like name, email, and job title, address, and phone number. So the next step is to add the recipient details in the CSV file. So I have already maintained a separate. I have already maintained the recipient details in a separate file. So here I'll just copy it and paste it here. So once done, I save the file and proceed to upload here. So as you can see now, the recipient details which we provided in the CSV file are listed in this dialog. So, and this appears to be in the expected format as well. If you want to change the cell values, you can double click on the appropriate cell and edit any cell values. So I just change the value of the phone number. Also, you have the option to save these changes to a export CSV file by selecting this export CSV option. So the CSV file will be downloaded. Once you review all the recipient, once you review the recipient details in the dialog, you can proceed to import. So here you can add CC recipients, which will apply to all the recipients in this bulk send. So if you want to add separate CC, then you can add it in the CSV file itself. Next, here the template title will be automatically set to the bulk send title. So if you want, you can change this. Also, you can add tags. As I said earlier, it will be applied to all the recipients in in this bulk send. So if you need to add separate tags for each recipient, then you can add it in the CSV file by selecting that option. Next, using the advanced settings, you can set expiry date for the bulk send. You can also enable a auto reminder for the bulk send, which will which will send the reminders automatically to the in progress signees in the bulk send. Also, we have options to preview the document in the bulk send before sending it. So as you can see, this is how the form field values will be displayed to the signer during the signing process. In this side, you can see details like recipient role, email, fields, and its responsibility, followed by the document title and message. Also, you have the options to select the role here. So based on the role, the form fields assigned to that role will be displayed here. Here you have the list of recipient documents. So by selecting the document, the form field values will be updated with the value provided in the CSV file. So I change the recipient documents. As you can see, the form field values are getting changed. So this is how you can ensure before sending the request. So once you review all the settings, you can proceed to send the request. That's it. Our bulk send has been created now. See how simple is that, right? We have just uploaded the template and recipient details. The bulk send handles the rest. So now let's see how we can manage this bulk send. So I'll select the view bulk send option. So this will navigate to my bulk send page. So which list bulk sends created by us. So the one which has been created now is displayed here. So when selecting this, you can view the list of documents along with their status. So this page will be similar to the My Documents page. So you can search for a document with a name, and using advanced filter, you can search by status and recipient name and tags. So also you can see the details like title, roles, and document progress and the created date. So in the document progress column, you will see a progress bar with color indicators, which represents the status of the document. So when you hover over this progress bar, each color represents a different status of the document. So for example, in this bulk send, the color gray represents that the documents has not been completed. In this bulk send, the color green represents that all the documents in the bulk send has been completed, which means signed by the signers. So next let's see what are all the options available in the context menu for this bulk send. So you have options like revoke, reminder, and you can export this bulk send to a CSV. You can delete the bulk send. First, let's see the reminder option. So this will send reminders to all the pending signees in this bulk send. So I'll just type the message. and proceed to send the reminder. As you can see, the reminder is now sent to all the in progress signees in this bulk send. So if you want to send a separate reminder for a specific signer in the document, then you can select the document. Here you will find an option called send reminder. So here you can enter your message and proceed to send the reminder. So this will send reminder to the signers in this document. Next, let's see the revoke option. Sometimes we might miss some details in the document, or we might want to update the document. So in that case, you can use this revoke option to revoke the bulk send. So here you can enter the reason. And proceed to revoke. As you can see, the revoke process has been initiated, and when you select the bulk send, you can see all the documents in this bulk send has been revoked. Next, let's see what the delete option. So if the bulk send contains a completed or a revoked documents, you can proceed to delete the bulk send. If there is any in progress document in the bulk send, you need to revoke it first before delete. So I'll proceed to delete this document. As you can see, the bulk send has been deleted and it has been moved to trash. So here, the deleted bulk sends will be available in this trash for 30 days. Here you have options to restore and delete forever. Next, let's see what are all the options available for the completed bulk send in the context menu. So here you have the options to export it to CSV file and download. First, let's see the export CSV option. I select it. The file has been downloaded. I'll open it. As you can see, the file contains complete document details like created date, document ID, document status, signer name, and more. Next, let's see how to download this bulk send. I'll select the download option from context menu. The file has been downloaded. I'll open the downloaded file. I'll just extract it and I'll show you. So now the completed documents has been listed in this folder with the document name followed by the recipient's name. I'll just select this CATHISAM document and show you. Here you can see the client details has been filled and the signer has signed the document. So next, let's see what the team bulk send option is about. So before proceeding to this, I'll show you my team. So I have two teams. One is development and another one is HR. So in development team, I have one team admin and two team members. And in HR team, I have one team admin. Now let's get back to this team bulk send option. So this team bulk send option, so for account admin, it will list all the bulk sends created in the organization. As you can see, now I am the account admin. I can view all the bulk sends created in the organization. Now let me switch to the team admin's account. So as you can see, the Shri Harini is from team admin and from development team. So when you select this team bulk send page, so it will list the bulk sends created by the team members. So now I'll switch to the team member account. So as you can see, This is Harish from Harish, a team member from development team. So here he can only view the documents created by them and not by, bulk signs created by them, not by the others. So if the account admin or a team admin or team members uh, want to view the document, actually the account admin or team admin only have the options to revoke and send reminders. So they don't have the options to view the document in the bulk sign. So let's see, I'll try to view the document. So here you have the options only to revoke and send reminders. So you don't have options to view what the document is. So to view the documents, the account admin have the options to enable custom permission. Let me switch to my account since I'm the account admin. So I need to add custom permissions for the team members to access the documents in the bulk sign. So expand the user and teams settings. Here you'll find the custom permissions option and select this new custom permission. So here I am going to select the team member to view the documents in the bulk sign. As I said, the team member have the options only to view the bulk signs created by them. So now I'm going to provide permission for the team member to view the documents in the bulk sign. So let's see how we can do that. I'll select the user, which is my team member, and you can select the team. So here I'm going to provide permission for the team member to view the document in the bulk sign. So I've selected the view document option and select the access type to allow and save this permission. Now let's check whether the team admin have the option to view the bulk signs created by the team members. So as you can see now, the team member have the options to view the bulk signs created by the team members. So let's see whether they can view the document. So as you can see, now he have the options to view, clone and download the documents in the bulk sign. So this is how you can enable custom permissions to manage the team bulk sign. So that's it. We have come to the end of the session. I have covered how to create the bulk sign and how we can manage the bulk sign and finally how we can enable custom permissions to manage the team bulk sign. So hope this session has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need any further clarifications, please feel free to ask. We are here to help you.